Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display a dialog for SwiftUI applications in native iOS. So let's get started. So here I have one button, and if I click on it, here you can see that I'm able to see this particular dialog. Now for iOS you will see a completely different dialog which pops up from the bottom. I'm running this on my real iPad device, that's why it looks a little different, so be careful with this. And here if I want, I can click on any of this button and it gets dismissed. So let's see how to do this. So here you can see I have created one boolean value for show dialog, and this is our button, and on click of it we just toggle the show dialog property. Here I am displaying one confirmation dialog. This is, are you sure you want to delete this selected doc tag? Now you are not able to see that in my output because, like I told you, I was running it on real iPad device. But if you run it on iOS device, you will see it. You will definitely see it. And inside that, I have created two buttons, one for deleting, one for just hello. And here the role was destructive, that's why this was of red color, and we are just toggling this particular value, but you can change it however, or you do whatever you feel like. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.